So hello students, welcome to all of you in this video lectures. Here I am going to continue the chapter 1 and today I will discuss the questions from 1.4 and 1.5. So there is a question from 1.4 that visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. That is, you have to locate the number 3.765 on the number line. So students, as you know how to locate the number on the number line, you have done in the last year, that locate -2 or -5 or 7 on the number line. It is very easy. Now here we are going to locate the number 3.765 on the number line. So students, concentrate and see how to locate this number on the number line. So students, since the given number 3.765 lies between the number 3 and 4, because this number is greater than 3, because the number is 3.765 but it is less than 4, right? So this number, first of all, we have to observe that this number lies between which two natural number or integer. So this number lies between 3 and 4. Okay, so we have to magnify the space between 3 and 4. We have to increase the area or the line between 3 and 4, right? So this is the number line. Here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the left hand side -1, -2, dot dot dot. In this number line, we have to magnify the 3 and 4, this space. So when we use the magnification, so this space will be larger. This 3 becomes here and 4 becomes here. In between 3 and 4 there are 9 numbers, like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4.0, right? So in this number, the question is 3.7. So first you consider first digit after decimal. So after decimal, first digit is 7. So 3.7. So we have to locate 3.76 in this number, because this 3.7 already we have here and 3.8 is here. Now 3.76, this number lies between 3.7 and 3.8. This whole number 3.765 lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, so this is just a identification, that first you see that 3.76 is greater than 3.7 and less than 3.80 or 3.8. Okay, so 3.76 is greater than 3.7 and less than 3.8. So we have to magnify this 3.7 to 3.8. Okay, so if you magnify this line 3.7 to 3.8, it will become like this: 3.7 and the last is 3.8. In between 3.7 and 3.8 again there are 9 numbers, like 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.76, 3.7, 3.78, 3.79, 3.80. Now see, the next number is 3.765. The students, 3.765 is greater than the number 3.76. Okay, 3.76. 3.76 means 3.760. After decimal, 0 is meaningless. So 3.76, this number is less than 3.765. So our number is 3.765, will lies between 3.76 and 3.77, because 3.765 will be greater than 3.76 and less than 3.77. Now we have to magnify this area. Okay, if we this portion, if we magnify, 3.76 will come here and 3.77 will be the last point. In between 3.76 and 3.77, again there are 9 numbers. You can see that 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769 and 3.77. Now our aim is to locate 3.765. This number is already here in this number line. So 3.765, you can see that this is the number. This is the required number which we are going to locate in the number line. So 3.765, this is the number. So this is how to identify or locate a decimal numbers in the number line. So students, I hope all of you understood this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. The next part of this I am going to discuss from the exercise 1.5. Okay, there are few questions that you have to visualize a number is rational or irrational number. The first question is 2 minus root 5. Since root 5 is there, root 5 is irrational number, so its overall number 2 minus root 5, it will be a irrational number. Okay, now the another number is 3 plus root over 23 in bracket minus root over 23. So if you remove the bracket, 3 plus root over 23 minus root over 23, root over 23 get cancelled, it will be 3. So 3 is a rational number. Another number is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is since root 2 is irrational number, so 1 by root 2 is also an irrational number. The next type of question is simplify the following. Okay, two brackets will be there, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. How to simplify, how to multiply these two brackets. So students, I hope all of you know in the last year you have got it, how to multiply. Then rule is 3 into the first bracket. So 3 into 2 plus root 2 and plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. Now multiply these numbers. 3 into 2, 6, 3 root 2, 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2, root 3 into root 2, root over 6. Since there is no any like term or unlike term, so we cannot add. So the answer is this one only. I hope all of you understanding. Next question is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. The students, 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. So we can use an identity that a plus b into a minus b. Okay, all of you know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So see here the first number is a, so it is 3 and root 3 is b, so a plus b, and this is a, this is b, a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, the formula is a square minus b squared. Okay, if we use this formula, we can easily calculate this. So 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3, 3 is a, considered as a, and root 3 is considered as b. To use this formula, a square minus b square. So here a is root 3 square minus b square root, a square is 3 square minus b root 3 square. So 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. Next one is root over 5 plus root over 2 whole square. Students, we know one formula is there, a plus b whole square, which is a square plus twice ab plus b square, right? Now if we use this formula, root 5 is considered as a and root 2 is considered as b. So a square means root 5 square plus twice ab, 2 root over 5 into root over 2 twice ab plus root over 2 whole square b square. So since root and square get cancelled, so 5 plus 2 root 10 plus root square cancelled 2. So 5 plus 2 can add 7. 7 plus 2 root over 10 is the answer of this question. Students, next type of question is rationalize the denominator. Means the denominator is given irrational number. Then your aim is to rationalize it. That is to eliminate the irrational number and to make it rational. Okay. So rationalize the denominator means denominator you have to make denominator rational number. So see, the first question is 1 by root over 7. So 1 by root over 7, if you multiply by root 7, both numerator and denominator will get 1 into root 7 by root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into root 7 means that root 7 whole square. So root over 7 into 1 is root over 7 divided by root over 7 whole square. We know that root over s square equal to a, square root cancelled. So here root over 7 by square root cancelled, here we will get 7. So root over 7 by 7. So here the denominator is rationalized, right? Now numerator is irrational number, but denominator we have to make it rational number. So we have done it, so root 7 by 7. Another question is there, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So students, here we have to use the formula a plus b into a minus b. See, here a minus b is given, so we have to multiply with a plus b. Here a is root over 7 and b is root over 6. So if you multiply with this, root over 7 minus root over 6, okay, a minus b is given, so we have to multiply with root over 7 plus root over 6, a plus b, to fall on the formula a plus b into a minus b. So if you are multiplying denominator by this, we have to multiply the numerator with the same number. So root over 7 plus root over 6, in numerator also 1 into root over 7 plus root over 6. So in numerator it will be root over 7 plus root over 6, and in denominator we can use the formula a plus b into a minus b, where a square is root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. So root over 7 plus root over 6, root over 7 square means 7 minus 6, which is 1. So the answer is root over 7 plus root over 6. So students, I hope all of you understood the questions what I have discussed in today's video lectures. If there is any doubt, you can ask me question. Okay, thank you very much.